And today I'm going to make chicken majboos, and it's going to be a delicious Arabian dish, and I've already made chicken kabsa, and let's go to the majboos. I'm adding ghee to a biryani stove and then mixing it, or if you have oil, like if you wish you can add sunflower oil, but I like ghee so I added ghee. For the flavor, I'm adding some cinnamon sticks and cardamoms to it. And after 10 to 20 seconds, I'm adding 2 big onions to it, chopped finely. And after 1 to 2 minutes, I'm adding required amount of green chilies to it. And I'm using basmati rice, 4 glass, so I'm adding the required amount of salt to it. And when the onion is really roasted, I'm adding a bit of ginger garlic paste to it, and I'm keeping a bit aside for adding to fried chicken. Now I'm adding a few pieces of pepper to it. And now the onion is nearly ready, and now I'm adding tomatoes to it. 3 chopped tomatoes, and until it's golden in color. Now I'm adding dried lemon to it. The onions are nearly ready, and now I'm going to add majboos masala to it. 2.5 spoons. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon of turmeric to it. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala to it. And for the majboos chicken, I'm using big chicken, and for those who want, they can use small chicken as well. And for those who want, they can whole chicken as well. Then mixing it. Just mix it and just keep it closed for 3 to 4 minutes, then add water to it. I've closed it for 10 minutes and I'm going to add water to it. The ratio for the rice and water is 1 glass rice, 4 glass water. So I've added 4 glasses of rice, so I'm adding 8 glasses of water to it. This is 8 glass water. And by that time I'm roasting carrots. Our chicken is ready. Now I'm going to keep it aside for adding in oven or frying it. I've separated the chicken, and now I'm going to add rice to this mixture. And for baking the chicken, I'm adding 1 spoonful of chili powder and a bit of garlic ginger paste and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and sufficient amount of salt and a bit of lemon and a 1/4 spoon of and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper to it. Our majboos is nearly ready. It's been 10 to 20 minutes. And now I'm sprinkling carrots on top of it. And I'm going to mix them. And now I'm going to sprinkle some fried onions. And our chicken majboos is ready. And before that, I'm going to add a bit of majboos essence to it. I've added the fried chicken to it, and the delicious majboos chicken is ready. And on to serving it. Delicious.